మాకు యాక్చువల్గా టైం చాలా తక్కువ ఉండింది. మేము ఇల్లు వెకేట్ చేసి న్యూ ఇంట్లోకి రావడానికి ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక 2-3 మంత్స్ మాత్రమే టైం ఉండింది అనమాట. సో మాకు ఫాస్ట్గా కావాలి అని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. మీరు డిజైన్ చేసిన తర్వాత 45 డేస్లో హ్యాండ్ ఓవర్ చేస్తామని మాకు కమిట్మెంట్ ఇచ్చారు. చెప్పిన దానికంటే ఒక 1 వీక్ ముందే ఇచ్చేశారు. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ టీమ్ ఫర్ హెల్పింగ్ అస్ అండ్ మేక్ అవర్ డ్రీమ్ కమ్ ట్రూ.
Welcome to another episode of Elemmentz. Today we step inside the beautiful house of Mohan Verma Garu, which is a minimal, well-organized 3 BHK located in Rainbow Vistas, Hyderabad. Every great space needs a centerpiece, and in this living area, the TV unit commands attention without overwhelming the room. While the stone laminate with subtle gold T profile accents create just the right amount of visual interest, and wooden laminate finish ties it all together. Adjacent to the TV unit, this accent wall transforms what could have been a forgettable space into a design statement. Walking into the main living area, you immediately notice the sophisticated vibe. That veneer ceiling is a standout feature. It adds warmth and character to the room. It's a perfect blend of contemporary and classic elements. The kitchen is where the heart of this home truly shines. What I love about the storage units are the profile shutters with clear glass. They give the kitchen an open, airy feeling. The acrylic finish makes everything look sleek and modern.
We want every single minute space, this place should be occupied. In the previous house, lot of place used to be wasted. Now, by keeping the corner unit, it makes this place also utilized. Sanjana is the designer for us. We asked for everything and there was a lot of conversation between us. Sivugaru suggested some of those things, and with all the team, we made our house beautiful. One thing I want to highlight is their finishing was very good. As we compared with the other houses, a friend's house and many more, I want to highlight this part that the finishing was very nice.
The crockery unit isn't just a storage, it's a design feature in its own right. Those profile shutters with laminate finish and brown tinted glass looks really elegant. Even the smallest spaces deserve attention to detail. This compact vanity area proves that with thoughtful tile cladding, which is both beautiful and timeless. In a modern home, creating space for tradition is essential. The veneer and fluted glass door with its intricate Ashtalakshmi design is a testament to Elemmentz' commitment to preserving cultural elements while maintaining a contemporary aesthetic. The master bedroom continues the home's elegant narrative. The wardrobe, framed in rich veneer, is complemented by ambient co-lighting that transforms the space from functional to luxurious. The first bedroom embraces a soothing blue and white palette, colors known to promote tranquility and rest, while the headboard's personalized design with its smooth PU finish adds a touch of luxury. The second bedroom continues the home elegant narrative with another beautifully detailed headboard. The sliding wardrobe is both a space-saving solution and a design feature, while the lacquered glass finish reflects light beautifully throughout the day. If you are dreaming of a home that feels special but works for real life, Elemmentz knows how to make it happen. Stay tuned for more amazing home tours, and we will catch you in the next episode.